In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to add a subdomain in Bluehost. Firstly, log into Bluehost. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on Hosting tab. Under Quick Links, click on cPanel to open your cPanel dashboard. In cPanel, find the Domains section and click on the Domains icon to manage your domains. In the domain field, enter the desired subdomain name, and check the box that says Share Document Root and choose a directory where your subdomain's website files will be stored. It's a good idea to name this directory after your subdomain. Then click Submit to create it. Your subdomain should now be created and you can begin uploading files to the directory you just created for it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.